What's up everybody? We're now here at Crown Regency with my homies. Nicko Wong, what's up boy?
2 hours lang and 46 minutes bro.
And Kirby is doing a time lapse. So we're having a mask here because as you can see there's a lot of haze here coming from the Indonesian wildfire. Just look at the haze here. So foggy. This would be a perfect shot, perfect moment for us to shoot some time lapse or some b-rolls, because this is a rare moment to have a haze. We need to be careful with ourselves because our health issues, because you know it's hard for us to be complacent in this kind of situation, but it's so rare and we can't afford to miss this incredible moment. So let's go and shoot some b-roll. Yeah. So it was such an amazing experience again to be here at Crown Regency. It was a very challenging video since we were not able to get here, because this would be the perfect place for us, or as we expected, to shoot. The guy who's in charge here didn't permit us to go here, but then again, that's where our creativity starts. Those adversity you will learn to appreciate and learn how to use your creativity well. So I guess I'm gonna share with you guys how did we get those dope banger shots we did. Actually, we used this LED light, and what's the good thing about this? It's an RGB
light.
Okay, can change the controls. Oh yeah, we have Kirby here, our model, and Nicko, the light man, and the photo. Let's go. So Nicko here got the A7 III. So actually this is a Nicko vintage lens. Yeah, let's see what this lens is capable of. So there, our model Kirby with his lightsaber RGB LED lights. So another creative tip you have is by using again your cell phone. We use the cell phone as a mirror to reflect the position of the model. So we will now share with you how we did those dope shots back then, and by creating some Rembrandt triangle. Okay, first we framed the model with an amazing background and put the RGB light, our secret in making those dope shots. And as you can see at the face of the model, this reflection or the light leak of a triangle, that's the Rembrandt triangle. You can search it in YouTube, and actually Sean Tucker has a video for that. So what we did here is, this is a one-man setup by an amazing photographer and videographer Nicko Wong.
What up? What up?
So by just putting a RGB LED light at the front of the model's face, you could get those amazing shot. So without that LED light, the model's face wouldn't be seen. Even if you have fast lens like f1.8 or 1.4, this is an amazing light source. And with my camera here, I have a slow lens, just an aperture of f4, but then again, as I put myself in the front of this amazing light source, it really reflects my light. Yeah, that's it. So if you have some other questions or some insights how to shoot some low light stuff, you could comment below. If you want to have some collaboration, so we're all free here with Nicko and Kirby. So just DM us in our Instagram, Dwayne Navales, Dungeon Kirby Q, and Marconix Wong. So we could share some insights. And also guys, if you haven't subscribed, just click the subscribe button below. See you in my next vlog. Bye bye.